Hi, I'm a patient at AJ Plastic Surgery, and this is 1 month after my breast reduction surgery. The reason why I did this procedure is, first off, because of the back pain. I have suffered with back pain for nearly 10 years. And the second was also I couldn't find clothing, and also finding bras that fit my size. It was more of a big problem for me. Another reason is also my posture really became terrible because of I had so much weight on my chest, which eventually had made me start slouching and even made me have a neck hump. Before surgery, my confidence was very low. Even going to the shop, I had to wear a bra because otherwise people would stare. But now I can even go to even a mall and I won't even have to wear a bra. And I'm very comfortable and I'm very confident. Also, that's the second point, confidence. I actually hadn't realized this, but I didn't know what it felt like having your back not ache, because my back was constantly in pain. 1 month post-operation, it's as if I've never experienced back pain. It's like it has never existed. For people who have had the same, they probably have been in the same shoes as me, especially when it comes to gigantomastia, because I know it's scary doing such a procedure. There's nothing to be scared about. I wouldn't say it's as if I've been given a restart button, like I've been given a new life where I can now experience life to the fullest. You don't need to live life like that. There's a better option which has been provided for us, so you don't have to suffer.